Have you heard the term staking in crypto and thought, what is that, and is it a good way to make passive income? And then, maybe you heard that Kraken, a major crypto exchange, had to shut down its staking services in the US and thought, wait, what's going on? Well, the truth is, this wasn't just a random business decision. It was a direct result of a major crackdown by the US Securities and Exchange Commission, or SEC. In a nutshell, the SEC charged Kraken with operating an unregistered securities offering. The SEC's argument was simple. They considered Kraken's staking program an investment contract. When you give your crypto to Kraken for staking, you're essentially pooling your assets with thousands of other users. Kraken then takes on all the work, validating transactions on the blockchain to earn rewards, and promises you a return. The SEC said this looks and acts just like an investment fund, which should be registered and regulated to protect investors. Kraken, without admitting or denying the allegations, agreed to pay a $30 million fine and, most significantly, shut down its staking services for all U.S. customers. This action immediately raised a lot of questions and concerns within the crypto community. Many saw it as a direct threat to the entire crypto staking industry, with some even worrying that decentralized staking could be next. Others, including some within the SEC itself, criticized the move, saying that regulating through enforcement actions, instead of providing clear guidance, is a lazy and unfair way to handle an emerging technology. So, what does this mean for you, the U.S. crypto holder? If you had assets staked on Kraken, they have already been unstaked and returned to your spot wallet. And if you're looking to earn yield on your crypto, you're now limited to platforms or services that the SEC hasn't targeted, or you might need to explore self-custody and solo staking, which comes with its own set of technical complexities and risks. The Kraken case is a landmark moment. It's a clear signal from regulators that they are watching, and they believe many crypto services fall under existing securities laws. This decision could pave the way for similar actions against other crypto exchanges and lending platforms. It has shifted the landscape, forcing the entire industry to reassess how they operate and what they can offer to U.S. customers. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.